every organization really has a different way in which they process things like this. And that could involve another system that we could upload these documents to, or they can build their process in right directly here with checks and balances to make sure that people have done what they're supposed to before they finalize the deal. That's something else that can be built right into this page, is once it hits a certain signed stage or whatever stage it is that they're looking at, you then have the ability to say, here's the 10 things that need to be checked. And ideally, those checks are automated as much as we can, and they're just verifying them. So we're looking to see, are all these things cleared out or completed that need to be? But if not, there are certain situations where checks have to be done manually. And so they may have to check off and say that they've approved it or done certain steps in the process, and then they can move it on to the next stage from there.
So once the deal is complete, can you go back and reference this information?
Yeah, so the deal is always in the system and available here. And one of the things that we do to help people remember what it is that they've actually produced is the signed documents. There's a copy of that automatically happens, but you can also save the documents at any other point that you want or choose to. So those can be inside of here and then referenced directly. You can see there's attachment icons on here where you can actually open up the PDF itself and see the actual documents, the e-sign documents here, and any other versions that you want inside of there. Some people have us trigger an auto save at different stages in the process so that they can see changes that may have occurred or validate things. For example, we had one organization that has approvals on things, and changes can occur after the approvals, and they need to make sure and be able to see those differences. So by saving versions of the documents as they go through different stages, you can actually see those differences or those changes. As you can see on this list, you can see different versions of the document with dates next to them. So you can see, okay, what happened from this one to that one.